जय श्रीमन्नारायण 224th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Netre Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who carries out the commands of your devotees and thus regulates the entire creation. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Netre Namaha. Om Netre Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who fulfills your wishes and who carries out your commands, and he is there within your own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sumantra is explaining all the details to Dasharatha Maharaju how everyone and the entire creation and the entire nature also suffering from the pain of separation from Sri Ramachandra Swami. Sumantra saying that, O Maharaja, when I was coming back to Ayodhya, I have noticed, I have observed that all the lotus flowers also gone so much dried and they are not glowing at all. It is looking like when Rama is not here, why should we be alive? Like that, probably the roses are also, lotus also thinking that and just drowning in the water. O Maharaja, Nadya Bhanti Alpagandhini, I have observed that no flower, no fruit has any kind of good smell and no flower, no fruit has any kind of glow at all. O Maharaja, even in Ayodhya also, none of the parks, none of the recreation parks, nobody is going around, everything is looking so empty. Mam na kaschit abhinandati. I have seen people in Ayodhya. There is no happiness in anyone's face in this Ayodhya. O Raja, when I was driving my chariot into Ayodhya, because there is no Rama in that chariot, people standing here and there, harmyaihi, vimanaihi, prasadaihi, avekshya, radhamagatam. Some people are standing on their upstairs. Some people are standing on the big places and tallest places. Some people are standing inside the homes from the windows. They are looking at my chariot. Because Rama is not there in that chariot, everybody started crying, Ha Karakrutanadyo Rama Darsana Karsitaha. Like that, everybody started crying. Ho Maharaja, na mitranam, udasina janasya cha. Not only those people who are related to you, who likes you, not only that, those who does not like you also, those who are reluctant also, all kind of people are crying for Sri Ramachandra Swami. There is no difference I see in the people how they are crying for Rama. So everybody loves Rama. Oh Maharaja, as and how, because sun is gone away, as and how Kausalya Devi's situation is, so also because Rama is gone away, Ayodhya's situation is like that. Dina Nagaturangama, even all the animals, all the elephants, horses, everyone is crying in this entire Ayodhya. O Maharaja, Arthaswara Parimlana, this entire Ayodhya is filled up with only grief now. When Sumantra said all this, Dasaratha Maharaju started crying a lot and again repeatedly breathing, heavily breathing, and now started saying that, oh Sumantra, I did big mistake. When Kaika asked something, I should have just give a thought to it, and I should have take some time and discuss with my friends, my ministers, my acharyas, and at least with some of the elderly people. I did not do that. I just immediately said everything I sanctioned and I granted with that kind of lust and that kind of attraction towards Kaika. I did everything. I did big mistake, Sumantra. Maybe with this mistake, I committed big sin, and also this sin is going to destroy me. It looks like that Dasaratha Maharaju responding to Sumantra, expressing all his grief. What is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 24th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Agranihi Gramanihi Sriman Nyayo Neta Samiranaha Sahasramurdha Visvatma Sahasrakshaha Sahasrapat. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Very important note on Mahalaya Amavasya. According to our Bharat timings, on 17th September 6:30 a.m. According to America Central timings, on 16th September 8 p.m. We are all going to be doing our Pitru Devata Puja. So I request all of you to go to Gattus Karishye Vachanam Tava YouTube channel. So that will be a live program. And by then we all will keep our ancestors' names ready. We take all our ancestors' names, and then on behalf of our ancestors, we are going to be chanting entire Bhagavad Gita Parayanam on that day. So that will be live program. You all can follow the live entire Bhagavad Gita chanting. And exactly at 9 a.m. according to Bharat timings, and according to Central America timings, 10:30 p.m. We again take all our ancestors' names, and then we do our Narayanastra slokas on behalf of them. And those who are unable to join the entire Bhagavad Gita Parayana, what they can do is, first 6:30 a.m. in Bharat, they can take their name, all the ancestors' names, and they can pray Sriman Narayana that on behalf of myself, Sriman Venugopalacharya is doing Bhagavad Gita Parayana. So please bless all our ancestors with eternal bliss. Like this you can do Sankalpam, and then you can go on your own work. So that means on behalf of you I am doing Bhagavad Gita. I will also take the same Sankalpam. And if possible, join again at 9 a.m. Wherever you are, you can join, and you can again take Even if you don't join also, you can just take your ancestors' names and do your Narayanastra slokas. So everybody does their Narayanastra slokas at 9 a.m. So that we all will be doing one entire Ramayanam and 33 times Gita Parayanam and 24 times Vishnu Sahasrana Parayanam. With all this, our ancestors will be very happy, and Sriman Narayana also will be very happy. This is being done in addition to what you are planning to do, like Tarpanas and all other things. Om Netre Namaha. Om Netre Namaha. Om Netre Namaha.